Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate range and find a conditional range in Excel. Let's get started. The range is the difference between the lowest and the highest value within a set of data. In Excel, you can calculate the range using the functions min and max. Let us show you how to calculate them. Let's suppose that we have a set of numbers entered in cells A1 through A5. Type the formula equals max, open parentheses, A1 to A5, close parentheses, minus min, open parentheses, A1 to A5, close parentheses into cell A6. The first part of the formula finds the maximum value in the data, and the second part finds the minimum value in the data. If you subtract the minimum from the maximum, you get the range. Press enter to see the results. If you want to find a conditional range, including values greater than 500, use this formula. Equals max, open parentheses, A1 to A5, close parentheses, minus min, ifs, open parentheses, A1 to A5, comma, A1 to A5 again, comma, quote, greater than 500, quote, close parentheses. The first part finds the maximum value, and the second part finds a value that is greater than 500. Then subtract them and press enter to get the results. That's it. What other tips would you like to know? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.